Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of setting up your Laosge WiFi extender using the WPS method. This is a fast and straightforward way to boost your Wi-Fi signal and extend coverage throughout your home. Let's get started and make your connection stronger. First, let's unbox the Laosge WiFi extender and take a look at what's included. In the box, you'll find the Wi-Fi extender, an Ethernet cable, and a user manual. The device itself has a sleek design with LED indicators that show the current status of your connection. Before we get started, let's unbox the Laosge WiFi extender and plug it into a power outlet. Make sure to place it somewhere in between your router and the area where you need better Wi-Fi coverage. The power light should turn on, indicating that the device is powered up. Now, we need to enable WPS on your router. On most routers, you'll find a WPS button on the back or side. Press the WPS button and keep it pressed for about 3 to 5 seconds. The WPS light will start blinking, which means your router is ready for pairing. Next, go to your Laosge WiFi extender. You'll also find a WPS button on it, usually on the front or side of the device. Press the WPS button and hold it for about 3 seconds. The WPS light on the extender will start blinking, indicating that it's searching for your router. Within a few moments, your Laosge WiFi extender will automatically connect to your router through WPS. The WPS light on both the router and the extender should now stop blinking and stay solid, which means the connection has been established. Now, to make sure everything is working, grab your smartphone or laptop and check your Wi-Fi settings. You should see a new Wi-Fi network named after your extender or your router, depending on the settings you selected during the setup. If you're happy with the connection, great. But if you want to improve the signal strength, consider moving the extender a little closer to the router or the area where you need better coverage. You can always adjust the placement for the best performance. If you face any issues or require assistance, our dedicated team of skilled professionals is ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out to us for support and guidance. Contact us anytime at 1-323-507-3713 for prompt assistance. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you set up your Laosge WiFi extender with ease. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Happy browsing!